We're gonna draw more Toy Story characters. We're gonna draw the little green man and Slinky. Okay, let's start with little green man. Okay.
The green man.
So right in the middle,
Can we draw two of them? Or maybe
just one. Okay.
Okay.
So right in the middle, we do a circle, not too big. Okay.
Too big.
And a little bit lower next to it, we're gonna draw another circle.
Is this another?
So they have 3 eyes, Charlotte.
I know what kind of these are aliens. These are the aliens with the green suits.
Yes, they have green skin and have an antenna on their head.
Yeah.
So
I thought we're drawing the green man with.
Let's do a small circle on the mouth.
And they have
That's his mouth.
They have a hat that is really small green man.
Okay. All right, and we're gonna draw the head. Okay, so the head is like this. So long line here. Short line here, and then we're gonna go. You can draw another one here. We're gonna connect it with a curve like this. Okay. And then we're gonna draw the top of his head. So it goes up like this. Stop in the middle. Okay.
I'll stop on top of his.
Stop. Okay, and then we'll have an antenna here. Very skinny triangle. There we go. And then connect. No, it's skinny. Okay. And on top of that is a circle, small circle. And he's got some alien ears. So it's pointy at the tip, pointy. Okay, and then curve on the bottom. Pointy on top, and then curve on the bottom. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna draw his neck. His neck is very thick, so it's the whole length of his head is his neck. Okay, and then we're gonna draw his arms. We've got short alien arms. 3 fingers. Okay.
Yeah, sharp.
I don't know if they're sharp. They're pointy. Okay, and then we got a belt. He's wearing a space belt.
Because he's a space alien.
Because he's a space alien, exactly.
And I remember from the movie of the movie one, the movie Toy Story 1. I remember I saw the aliens, and when the aliens with their new friends.
So we're gonna draw the legs. So left leg, right leg. They're connected in the middle here with a line, and we connect it to the line. Okay. And then now we're gonna draw his feet.
Feet. That looks weird.
That's a little green man alien from Toy Story, and now we're gonna draw Slinky the dog, okay? We're gonna start with his eyes. So his eyes are like this. We're gonna draw one line, and then a circle underneath it. And then we're gonna draw another line on top, and then a circle underneath it, okay? That's his eyes. And then we have the black eyeball in the middle.
Is he sad?
He's frowning a little bit. I don't think he's sad. He's frowning. And then we're gonna draw his mouth.
It looks frowny.
Okay, his snout. It's like a rectangle with rounded edges, and then his nose is on top, black oval. And his mouth is underneath, okay, his mouth. And then we'll draw his head. So the head comes out the side of the mouth here and goes to the top. And it's rounded, okay? And it comes back down to the other side. Okay.
Except for the puffy head.
And then we're gonna draw his ear are long, okay? So long ears.
Yeah, really long. I'm gonna do as long as I can. That long?
That might be a little bit too long. Okay, and then his body is a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna draw his legs here. So this one. And on this side, we can see more of his body. And we're gonna draw his other leg. His body is rounded like this. Okay. Okay, and then his body is a spring, right? So we're gonna draw the spring. Okay, coming out.
Why he's a spring?
Because he's a slinky dog. So we're gonna do these oval loops. Okay.
Those are loops.
Do 4 loops.
I'm gonna do more than 4.
4 loops, and then we're gonna draw half a circle for his body. Okay, his body looks like this. Okay, then we're gonna draw the legs on that, right? Okay, so on this side, we got a leg here, and then on this side, we have a leg down here. Okay. He's got a slinky tail, so it's like this. With a black circle tip. Stop, make a circle. There we go. Good job, Charlotte. Okay, so that's Slinky and Little Green Man. Let's color them. Okay, let's color them, okay?